I have been expecting a few shipments from China. Let's see which one this is. I do believe this might be from EPZ. They were the oldest one here because I had talked to them, yup, a month ago, around a month ago. EPZ 5 Pro. This one is priced at around $50 to $60, I think. This one is their second generation of the EPZ 5 Q5 model. This one was kind of popular because of its back design, which was similar to the Mezi Advar. Now this one is the second generation of this one. Ceramic carbon nano dynamic in-ear hi-fi headphones. If we look into the specification, 3D printing resin cavity, 10 dual cavity dual magnetic circuit, ceramic carbon nano dynamic. Okay, sounds nice. Plug diameter 3.5 4.4, so you can pick between 3.5 and 4.4. I do not expect it to be modular, but we will see. In any case, it comes with a 2-pin cable, 6N OCC. Looks nice. The packaging and stuff are very good. You can see the graph too, which is kind of symbolic because it's not exactly how that I am going to sound, but yeah, you can have an idea about the sound quality of the IEM. In any case, let's have a look at the actual IEM and the set of accessories here. Very good packaging, to be precise, for a $50-60 IEM. This has very good packaging, looking very good, to be precise. I'm liking the presentation for a $60 IEM. Here we go, looks really good. And yup, oh nice, comes with a 4.4 mm termination. Oh, fantastic. It's not modular, but yep, 4.4 mm is always better than 3.5 mm because it will have better separation and better staging. So yep, this is nice. The cable is not the bad quality type either. It's not very memory prone, and it's a bit on the low profile too. So wow, very good cable. I was not expecting this, but this is a good quality cable with a fairly cheap IM, and the build too looks nice, kind of uh, metal, but we will see. I'm not exactly sure, might be plastic or metal, but the size is very good. No problem with the size at all. It's a bit on the smaller side, to be precise. I'll comparing it with the K-Fine Clean, and we will see how this one compares with that. Very good looking, very good looking earpieces. Let's have a look at the rest of the accessories. Accessories kind of similar yet different. It comes with a carry pouch too, unlike KZ. I don't know why KZ do not offer their IMs with carry cases, but we get one here. There is a cleaning cloth too, EPZ. Nice, looks very good. What are the setup tips? Okay, so these guys are not very generous when it comes to the setup tips. We get only uh, one set of tips. In any case, it's a good looking case and very good looking packaging. I'll include the initial impression within this video. So this is the unboxing at this point of time of the EPZ Q5 Pro. Here we are looking at the EPZ Q5 Pro. This is the evolution, or you can say the second generation of Q5. That was the Q5 which used to look like Mezi Advar. The backplate especially with a black shell. This one is slightly different, and better definitely, because it does not look like another IM, which is a good thing in my opinion. It still has the form factor, very good shape and size, to be precise. It has a very good nozzle depth too, and I have the 4.4 mm version. So this is a very good addition to this IM, this budget IM, which is priced at just $50. We get a case too, and the cable in its own is good. It does not have any memory or anything like that, and you guys can see it barely has any memory, and it is a good cable, to be precise. I'm not exactly sure how this will respond after say 110 hours, but we will see. This one has an interesting kind of driver, 10 carbon ceramic driver kind of stuff, but I'm not going into the details of the driver. What I have heard is what I'm going to relay in here. This is a kind of balanced, slightly technically tuned IM with some emphasis on accuracy and precision. So this one is not trying to be a fun or musical or I'll say warm sounding IM. What it is trying to be is slightly more balanced, slightly more technically capable, while delivering good resolution and definition with better transparency. I won't go much deep into the details because I want it to open up. It is slightly constrained at this point of time. So I'm going to give it around 120 hours, and we will see how this one opens up, because I find the stage to be slightly closed in. Okay, at this point of time the stage is slightly closed in, even with a proper USB DAC amp. It is DH80S. This stage is slightly closed in and can sound slightly clumsy, but I do expect it to open up, and then we will see how this one works out. At this point of time, there is a bit of leanness to it in the mid range, and I am expecting it to be brushed off, since this is a DD based IM, and that can happen. Those extra bit of finishing definition or slight extra bit of sharpness in the mid range can be cured with burning in, and we will see how that will work out here. If we talk about the treble, it is good, it is very good. I'm liking the air, I'm liking the extension and stuff. It is better than the G20, but this is the initial impression. I will not go deeper into the things. It is slightly better with the micro details too, but we will see how this one works out after 120 hours of burning in. So this is the initial impression of the EPZ Q5 Pro. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.